as there is an incredible perfection in natural creation, to which no artificial structure can match at all. Unbelievable beauty of nature brings healing and happiness, as this is pure God, while artificial structures cause only fleeting euphoria and illusion of happiness, as they only imitate nature, giving merely something that actually does not exist. As this is an imitation of happiness that must soon pass and disappear, while nature is eternal. It should never pass or disappear, except as it may be destroyed through the fault of man. Not creating man, you create nature. Avoiding man, you give to God. Not succumbing to childish selfishness, you save nature. God is life. Destroying nature, people destroy their life, as they do not see it, because child in them makes them blind, creating synthetic a world of illusion. Child always only plays, playing tricks of taking their life, and give it instead artificial world of death. Being with nature leads your soul back to God. That's why nature conservation is so important. Because nature is the only path to salvation. The only path to love.